okay, quality. I gotta get the stuff. I'll be back. They talk to me. They talk to me. Checking my Oura app is part of my morning routine, so this is something I've been waiting for sometime in December. My Oura Ring, this is the generation 3. All of a sudden the battery just stopped working. Tell me I need to charge it. I put it on the charger. 20 minutes later I'm getting the notification. I need to charge my ring soon before it dies. So I sent a little chat to customer service, and they were so great, by the way. That's one thing I will say. Their customer service was top tier. So they did tell me that there was a defect in my battery and they had to send me a replacement. About a week later, they let me know that they were all sold out of the Gen 3. So they would have to give me a Gen 4, which is better for me because free upgrade. Being that they run a little bit differently, they sent me a sizing kit first, and I did the sizing kit, and then I let them know what size I needed. The email did say that it can take up to 2 weeks after they placed the order for me to receive it, but I kid you not, I did that. I did the sizing kit on Monday. Tuesday evening, I sent them a message. Today is Friday, and she's here. That was a very long intro just for me to tell you I'm gonna unbox my Oura Ring. Health is a beautiful thing. Ooh, she's here. Oh, for the Gen 3, I was a size 8. And it's kind of like, I have big knuckles, so it's like a little bit snug. In the 4 with the sizing kit, I ordered a 9 just to be safe because I want to be able to wear it on my index finger and also my middle finger. To my understanding, they told me they were gonna send me like a refurbished version or something like that. This has the seals on it, so let's see when we open her up how she looks. Ooh. And also, I forgot to mention, after customer service sent me the tracking information for my ring, they responded again and said that they would be giving me my next 2 months free for my membership for the inconvenience. Her, she is gorgeous. And we got a high in here from Finland. This one is the 3 and this one is the 4. The 4 is a little bit thicker, I think. New one is also a bigger size. So what it looks like on the inside, that's the 3 and this is the 4. Now that I'm thinking about it, I probably should have done an 8 because the 8 was only small because of the ridges that were in here. This one does not have any. What she looks like on. But normally whenever I do wear my Oura Ring, I always pair it with a band, something like that, so that it doesn't fall off. And that gives it also like a cute look. Going back to the box, this is the charger on like that. And this is the old one. This is the cable. So, oh, this one is both USB-C. Okay, that's another difference. I think they sent me a brand new one though. She's on. It tells you where to put it on. The line that's on the ring faces the line on the charger. On the old ones, generation 3, your line is going to be in the back for it to charge. And we're going to set her up now. So we're going to go in the app. Going to go to my devices. And it's still showing, you see, this is my old one. This is the size 8. This is how inconsistent it's been. This was today. This stopped working December 16th. And today's January 16th. So literally took a month to like complete that process with them because that was the day that I reported it. Okay. So connect your Oura Ring. She's connected. Set up. Searching. And she's right here. Size 9. Okay. Connecting. and then it has to pair to your Bluetooth. Connecting. We're updating. She finally updated. And she's saying try on your ring. Syncing to me. You and your ring are now in sync. That's so cute. Wave hello to test your motion sensor. Oh, look. Hey, ho, hey. And now she's here. Thank you, Aura, for the ring 4 when I had the ring 3 for free. Well, not for free because we have warranty, but that's why it's important to have warranty on your items. Friends, I'm so happy to be back. I guess I can do a follow-up video eventually when I've been wearing it for longer. But I've been an Aura wearer since August of 2024. So a little over a year, and I have no complaints whatsoever. If you have an Oura Ring too and you love it, let me know. I love to hear it. Thank y'all for watching. This video was way longer than it needed to be. But yeah, I was just so excited to get her back. So I'm gonna cherish her. I don't know if I mentioned, has so many scratches. So many. She was loved. She was loved though. And Aura did say I can keep this, but honestly I can't even give it away because the battery, y'all saw how bad it was. I just wanted to say thank y'all for watching if you made it this far, and appreciate y'all.